So I'll share the screen. Uh, yeah, I think my screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday you asked about this one, no? Like for 101 case we are getting same states like that. You asked, no? So we try to understand this sequence detector for 101 sequence for overlapping and non-overlapping, and next we will try to understand that 101 sequence. Okay, 100 sequence. Okay, so that is 100 sequence. Okay, so if you see like uh, basically so here I'm this is not overlapping sequence. Okay, so this is nothing but overlapping sequence. Here I'm checking for what here I'm checking for suppose like this yellow symbols are nothing but if I got the sequence it will go to the next sequence. That means here I am getting one. Okay, this is nothing but I got one. Okay, simply it will go to the next sequence. So next here 10. So 10 means what? 10 means it will go from S1 to S2, and next here I got what? 101. 101. So at S3 I got what? 101 sequence. Okay, at S3 I got 101 sequence. So that means at S1 I got one sequence, and S2 I got 10 sequence, and S3 I got 101 sequence. Okay, so we are discussing about overlapping sequence. Okay, so the overlapping sequence so that means here uh, so so if the sequence is detected, it will go to the next step, no? So that means I need to check two cases from each and every state, either 1 or 0. Okay, so 1 or 0 means suppose so after 1 so after I'm getting one sequence, so I may get 0 or I may get 1. I may get 0 or I may get 1. Okay, so suppose if I am getting 0 means I am getting that sequence, it will go to the next state. But here if it is 1 means so it will check for this sequence. That means this sequence. Okay, so this sequence is matching. Okay, this last sequence is matching, so that's why it will be in the same state. That's right, it will be in the same state. This one is matching with this one, no? This one is matching with this one. Okay, so where this is matching means it will be in the same state. Okay, if it is 0 means what? 10 means it will go to the next state. Okay, and at h2 I got 10, so that means I got 10. So next so I can get a 0 or I can get 1. Okay, I can get 0 or I can get 1. So suppose if it is 0, so if it is 0 means what? If it is 1 means simply it will go to the next sequence. Why? Because I'm searching for what sequence? I'm searching for 101 sequence.
One
Okay,
zero.
101 sequence means simply it will go to the next state. But if it is if it is 100, so simply so what it will do, it will match with suppose if it is 100, so 100 means first it will match with 2 bits. Okay, so 2 bits, these 2 bits are matching with this 10 bit. It's not matching, no? First it will check for 2 bits. We need to check for 2 bits. Okay, so those are not matching. Okay, 100 is different, 10 is different. Okay, those are not matching. So 2 bits are not matching means again you need to check for what? 1 bit. You need to check for 1 bit. Okay, so if 1 bit is matching, so that means where it is matching? So 0 is matching. So 0 is matching means whether 0 is matching with this bit, it's not matching, no? It's not matching. Simply it will go to the initial state. Where is the initial state? This is the initial state, 0. Okay,
Zero.
0. Okay, understood. So are you getting the concept? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next you see suppose so this is completed. Okay, after that at S3 so 101, so S3 I got which sequence? 101 sequence. Okay, so 101 means all sequence I got. So till the sequence is not getting, the output is only 0 only. So since sequence you are getting, the output becomes what? 1, no? Sequence you are getting, output becomes 1. Okay, after getting this sequence, what I am doing after getting this sequence here, after 101, you need to check for two cases, either 0 or 1. You can check for two cases, 0 or 1. Okay, suppose if it is 0, okay, if it is 0, so and next 1 0 1, it can be 1, no? Okay, it can be 1. So that means if it is suppose 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, if you see, so so if I see like if I see 3 bits, if I see 3 bits, that means what? 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 0. But here, what is my sequence? 1 0 1. It is not matching. Okay, next. So it is not matching means I need to check for 2 bits. Okay, so like so 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 means what? So here I need to check 2 bits, last 2 bits. Okay, so last 2 bits are matching with which bit? This bit, no? Last 2 bits are matching with this bit. So so if it is matching, as this is overlap sequence, it will go to where, which sequence? S3 to S2, no?
S2.
Understood? S3 to S2 it will go. Okay, and next next you see 1 0 1, and next sequence I need to check for 1, no? Next I need to check for 1. So if you consider these 3 bits, so 3 bits are nothing but 0 1 1, but here what is my sequence? 1 0 1. So these 3 are not matching. Okay, so these 3 are not matching means I need to check for what? 1 0 1 1. 2 bits I need to check. Is 1 1 is matching with this sequence? It's not matching, no?
No.
1 1 is not matching. So if it is not matching, I need to check for 1 bit. I need to check for 1 bit. Okay, so where it is matching? So where it is matching? So this here
S1.
it's one at S1 it is matching. So it will go to S1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So like this you need to analyze. Suppose if it is a non-overlapping sequence, means till here all are same only, but where the difference will come? So here at the last sequence the difference will come. So that means here you got 101. Okay, here you got 101. So that means 101. Okay, so after that you can get 0. After that you can get 1, no? Okay, so here no need to check for the 3 sequence or 2 sequence like that. Why? Because this is non-overlapping. Simply it will go to the initial state. Simply it will go to the initial state. For 2 cases it will go to the initial state. Understood? See here, initial state means what? Suppose if it is 0, okay, so that means 0 is matching to anyone. It's not matching. It will go to the initial state. 1 1 where it is matching? Here it is matching. This is the initial state. It will start from the initial state. So where it is starting means initial state means from 1 it will start. Yeah, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like that if you draw for 101 sequence, so the 100 sequence, no? 100 sequence, first we'll see overlapping sequence. Like this we'll try to draw. Okay, overlapping sequence. So suppose so we have how many states we already seen. Suppose 3 bits are there, so that means n
4
bits are there.
states.
So you have n plus 1 states.
N plus 1 state.
N plus 1 states. So that states are nothing but consider S0, S1, S2, and S3. S2 and S3. Okay. So here S0. Okay. S0. S0 is 0. Okay. Somebody muted. Some disturbance is coming. Please mute yourself. Hello. Hello. See here. So so if you see 1 second. Yeah. So it is nothing but what? Which state? 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. So this is reset state. This is nothing but what? Initial state. This is nothing but what? Reset state. Okay. So reset state. So I'm checking for what? So I'm checking for so the 1 or 0. Okay. So 1 or 0. So that means here So same like this if you draw. So here this is nothing but anyway reset state. So if it is 1, it will go to the next state. No, it will go to the next state. So this is nothing but S1 by, so you are getting 0 only. So here what I am getting, here I am getting 1. No, here I am getting what?
One.
1.
Yes,
Here I
sir.
am getting
One.
1. Okay, here I am getting 1, and I need to check for 0, 0 also. So that means at S naught, if it is 0, so this is not matching. Here actually this is 1. So normally it will be in same reset state. It will be reset state.
Same state.
Same state. Okay. So here this is nothing but 1. Okay. And next you see. So at S1, next I'm expecting what, next 0, no? So next 0 means it will go to the next state.
Next
Simply
state.
whenever you got the sequence, it will go to the next state. So here this
Next
is
state.
nothing but what, 1 0 0. This is nothing but what, 1 0 0.
One zero.
1 0 0. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. This is nothing but there is a connection unstable. Okay. Next here if you see. So this is nothing but 1 0 you got. Okay, 1 0. This is nothing but what, 0. Okay, and
Zero.
so at 1 0, so
One.
that means here, so here for 1, you are expecting 1 0 means it will go to the next state. If it is 1 1, if it is 1 1 means what, you need to
Same
check
state.
for the this case. Okay, so it will be in which state?
It's one same. It's
Same
one.
state. It will be the same state, S1 state. Okay, it will be the same state. Okay, 1 0 over. Okay, and next at S2 I need to check. Okay, next, so 1, so 1 0. Next I am checking for which case, 0. Okay, I am checking
Zero.
for 0. So 0 means what, it will go to the next state. It will go to
Next
the
state.
next state, and here the case is S3, and I got the sequence. The sequence what, output
One.
becomes 1. Okay,
One.
so here 1 0 0. Okay, here I got 1 0 0. Okay, suppose if it is 1 0 1 is there. Okay, so 1 0 1 means first I need to see for which cases, two cases, no, two states. So if it is 1 0 1 1 0 1, so I need to check these two cases. Okay, is this matching with 1 0? Is this
No.
0 1 is matching with 1 0? Not matching, no. So next I need to see for this 1. So where it is getting, it will go to which
S
state?
one. S one.
S1 state.
S one.
Okay, S1 state. It will go to S1 state. So that S1 state. It will go
అవునా
to
నువ్వు 765 ఉన్నప్పుడే ఆమెను కలిసినావు కదరా గుర్తుకుందా
S1
నీకు?
state.
అదే మాట
Sai
నేను
Vardhan.
అప్పుడు సార్
Okay. Next you see. So next you see. So at 1 0, so two cases over. And next you see. So at S3, you can get what, 1 0 0 0, and next
Zero. Zero.
1 0
One. Zero.
0 1
Zero. One.
0 1. Okay. Now I'm checking. So that means 1 0 0 0. I'm checking 3 bits. If 3 bits are matching anywhere,
No.
no,
నో సార్
no. So next you need to see for which bits, 2 bits. Is 2
1
bits are matching
0
anywhere?
0
No.
No. So not matching. So next you need to come for 1 bit. So 1 bit is matching, no?
మ్యాచింగ్
1
సార్
bit is matching. 1 bit is also not matching. So 0 is also not matching. Simply it will come to state.
No.
Reset state.
Initial state.
It will come to the reset state. It will come to the reset state. Okay, this is 0. Okay, this is 0. And next I will check for what, 1 0 0 1. Okay, I will check for three states, 0 0 1. Anywhere it is matching? No, 3 bits are not matching.
No, sir.
Next I will see for 2 bits. 2 bits are not matching?
No.
No,
sir.
not matching. Not matching for these three cases. Suppose next 1 0 0 1. Where it is matching? Where it is matching?
S1. S1.
S1 is matching. S1 is matching. Okay, S1 is matching, this is 1. Okay, this is 1. And here for non-overlapping, if you see, I think non-overlapping also same, no? You are getting?
Yes, sir, it's same.
Yeah, it's
That's what,
same only.
sir, we got
Non-overlapping
same for
same only
both.
you are getting. Yes, yes. Non-overlapping also same. So if you analyze the difference, only difference you are getting at the last state. So that means it is it will come to the initial state. So if it is 0, it will come to the initial state, and both are same only. Overlapping and non-overlapping same only. That is your correct,
Yes,
Shubham.
sir, same only.
Same you are getting. Non-overlapping you are same.
Yes.
Now you understand how you are analyzing, how you should do, how you should
Yes.
verify that. Like
Yes.
that, you can see the 4 variables also. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Next you see. This one you see. So this one, I think this one we already seen, no? 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 in the Mealy machine. Mealy machine we
Yes, sir.
already seen or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Or shall I explain one more time?
Sir, shall you explain one more time, sir?
Okay, see here. So that means here I need to check two cases. What are the two cases? This is nothing but 0. One second. Mm, yeah. Mm, this is, I will change the color. Red color is fine now, or I need to change color. Red color is fine, or okay.
Fine.
Okay, see here. So I need to check for two cases, 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. Okay. So suppose see here. So I am taking random sequence. So Mealy machine means what? Mealy machine means. So I am checking for, this is the random sequence. So I am checking for what sequence? Two sequence. No? 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. Okay. So here what happens? One. I am not getting any sequence. Okay. 1 0 0 1 0 0 1. I am not getting any sequence, and I need to see 4 bits, 0 0 1 1. Okay, output is 0 only. Till you got the sequence, output is 0 only. Okay, till you got the sequence. See here, 0 0 1 0. I got the sequence, no? Where you got the sequence? Here you got the sequence. One second. Where you got the
It is
sequence?
good.
Ah,
It is good.
yes. So if you see, mm, yeah. So here this value becomes 1. So that means 0 0 1 0.
Zero.
0 0 1 0 means the sequence I got, no? The sequence I got. Output
Yes.
becomes what? 1. Output becomes
One.
1. Okay. And next case, what is the next case? Next case, output becomes 1 now. Output, it will start from the initial state. Why it's become 1? Mm, it will start from the next state.
So because first we got 0001 and then we got zero
Okay,
zero
Mealy
one.
machine. 0001. Yeah, yeah. There is some okay. Zero. First you got 0001. The output becomes 1. And next we got what? 0010. So two
Zero
times the
zero one
output
zero.
becomes 1. Yes, yes. And here if you see, so here what you are getting? 0 0 0 1 0. Okay. Here somewhere. Okay. Here 0010. I got the sequence. The output becomes 1. Okay. But in Moore machine, what happens at next clock pulse? The output becomes 1. At the next clock pulse, the output becomes immediately. The output will not become 1. At the next clock pulse, at the next clock edge, the output becomes 1. That is nothing but Moore machine. Okay. Mealy machine is nothing but the output depends only on the present input and present state. And Moore machine, the output depends only on the present state. Okay. So this is the state diagram by
Yes.
using what? Mealy machine. So Mealy machine, if you see, so here, suppose I'm checking for what? I mean, it is not. I'm checking for 0 and 1. Okay. If it is 0,
Zero.
okay. If it is 0, I got the sequence, no? So it will go simply, it will go to the next state. Okay. What is the output? Output is 0 only. Okay. If it is 1 means
Zero.
what? It will be in the same state. It will be in the
Same state.
same state. So here I got 0. I got one sequence from my whatever I'm expecting. Okay. And next at S1, I need to check for two cases, either 0 or 1. Okay. If it is 0, simply it will go to the next state. If I get the
State.
sequence, simply it will go to the next state and not get the whole sequence. That's why the output becomes 0. Okay. So here I got 0 0. Okay. I got 0 0. And if it is 1, okay, if it is 1, so that means next 0. So 0 1. Okay. 0 1. 0 1 means suppose if I match this one, okay, this one, so one is not matching with anything, so it will go to the reset state. It will go to the initial state. If it is 1, it will go to the initial state. Okay. So at S2, I need to check for two cases, either 0 or 1. Okay. If it is 0, simply it will go to state next state.
S3.
Next state. So here I got what 0 0 0. Okay. If it is like 1, okay, if it is 1, so this is 0 0 for first uh, this sequence. 0 0 1 also, this is for this sequence, no? So if it is 1, I am getting the sequence.
Yes.
Okay. So it will go to next state, that is S4 it will go. Okay. Here you got what 0 0 0. Here you got 0 0 1. Here you got 0 0 1. Okay. So that means if it is 0, it will go to the S3. If it is, you are at S2. Okay. If it is 1, it will go to the S4. Okay. So now you didn't got the sequence, that's why the output becomes 0. Okay. And S3, so at S3 what happens, so here uh, uh, 0 0 0, next I can get 0, or I can get what 1, I can get 1. Okay. So this is overlapping, this is overlapping, this is overlapping pattern, so that means I need to check for what 3 bits. So first we'll see this 0. 1 second. First I'll check with 0 0 0, next 0. Okay. So if like 3 bits I'm checking, 3 bits 3 bits are matching in S3, no? 3 bits are matching.
Yes.
First I
Yes,
need to
sir.
check for 3 bits. 3 bits are not
3
matching,
bits.
I need to check for 2 bits. 2 bits are not matching, I need to check for 1 bit. So 3 bits are matching, that's why it will go to the same state.
Same state.
Understood? So what is the output? Output is, so that means I didn't got the sequence. So output is 0 only.
0.
Understood the concept? Okay. Next you see. So next 0 0 0. Next if it is 1.
1.
Okay. If it is 1. So that means I got this sequence. I got this sequence. So simply it will go to which sequence? It will go to the next state. That is
Next.
S4, and output becomes what? 1. Output
1.
becomes 1. Okay. So output becomes 1. Okay. Or otherwise, it will go to the next state. You can ask why S4s are, you can ask. See here. I will check with the last 3 bits. Last 3 bits are matching or not?
Yes, sir.
Last 3 bits are matching, no?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it will go to S4. I got the sequence, and last 3 bits are matching. As this is overlapping, last 3 bits are matching. That's why it will go to S4. Okay. Now you see. So
Sir, if it will not match, it will go to next another state.
if it is not matching means again you need to check for two bits. Suppose here this is matching.
Okay.
If it is not matching means again you need to check for 2 bits. These 2 bits I need to check. If 2 bits are not matching means again you need to check for 1 bit. If all are not matching means simply it will go to the reset state. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Now you see. So
Yes.
yeah. So now you see. So all cases are over, and next 1 second. Okay. Next you see at S4. At S4, what I'm checking? 0 0 1. I can expect a 0. I can expect what? I can expect 1. No? Okay. I can
1.
expect 1. Okay. Now you see. So if it is 0 0 0 10. Okay, so I need to check for what? I need to check for how many bits. Suppose 3 bits. 3 bits. 3 bits are matching. 3 bits are matching. If any 3 bits
So
are
that one
matching in
we
the
will check for only Moore, no? Melee directly after getting S4 we will get the sequence, no?
this is melee overlapping. Overlapping means we need to see the sequence, no, whether sequence is matching or not. Either it may be melee or Moore. This is overlapping sequence. Overlapping sequence means we need to check last 3 bits, last 2 bits, last 1 bit, whether any matching or not. Why? Because overlapping means what? The last bit becomes the first bit, no? Understood? So that's why
Yes, sir.
I'm checking for about the last 3 bits. Is last 3 bits are matching in any of these bits? See and tell me. 010 is matching?
No. No.
Not matching. Okay, and next you see 00010. So if it is not matching, I need to check for what? 10. Okay, 2 bits I need to
10.
check. Okay, 2 bits are matching. 2 bits are matching. 10 is matching in any of the sequence. Not matching, no. Okay, so if it is not matching, means I need to go for what? Next sequence.
No.
Next sequence. One second. Suddenly it's closed. 1 second. Wait. I'm not sure. Okay. So see here. So like we are seeing the last sequence. Last sequence is what? That is nothing but 0 0 1 0 0 is over. Okay. 0 is over. Next 0 0 1 0
1.
1. Okay. 3 bits you see. 3 bits are matching. Anywhere it is matching. No matching. Okay. Next you need to see for 2 bits. 0 0 1 0 1. 2 bits you need to see. 0 1 is matching. 0 1 is matching.
No.
It's not matching. Okay. And next if it is 0 is matching, here 0 is matching. For this 0 is matching. That's why it will go to which state? It will go to S1 state.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next 0 0 uh, 0 0 1 0 1. Okay. So 1 bit if you see. So is 1 is matching? Is 1 is matching in any
No.
of the sequence? It's not matching, no?
No.
Simply it will go to the reset state. Simply, if it is 1 means what? Simply it will go to the next reset state. Is it fine? Do you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is Mealy machine. Okay. So this is nothing but Moore machine. Okay. Same sequence I need to check for what? Moore machine. Okay. So two sequences I am checking. That is about 0010. I think this one I didn't discuss with you. 0001. Okay. So 0001. Next you see you are at S naught. You are at a S naught. Okay. This is also overlapping sequence. Okay. So here I need to check the sequence. So detect the sequence 0010 using Mealy and Moore state machine. Overlapping pattern are allowed. Okay, overlapping pattern are allowed. Okay, so here if you see, so um, I'll make this. Okay, so next you see. Hmm. Can I hide this? Uploading authority. Okay, okay. So next you see. Uh, So next you see. So you are at what? You are at so that means you are at 0 reset state. So you are expecting what? 0. If it is 0, it will go to which state? It will go to next state. Okay. If it is 0, it is next state. Am I audible? No. Give response. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So if it is 1 means what? If it is 1 means so here it is not means it is not matching with any of the sequence. It will go to the same state. Okay, it will be in the same state. Okay, it will be in the same state. It will be in the same state. Okay, so it will be in the same state. It will be in the same state. And next you see at S1, so here I got 0, here I got 0 sequence, okay, and at S1 and checking for what? 0 and 1, okay, 0 and 1, so that means if it is 0 0, okay, 0 0 means what? I got the sequence, okay, from these two sequence I got the two sequence, simply it will go to the next state, simply it will go to the next state, okay, as this is Moore machine, only inputs are indicated with this arrow mark, okay, so these outputs are indicated within the states. Why? Because output it depends only on the present state, okay, and if it is what? If it is 0 1, okay, so 0 1, so 0 1 means what? I need to see these two bits 0 1 is not matching, and if I see one bit is also not matching, simply it will go to the reset state, simply it will go to the reset state, okay, so I got what? 0 0, okay, and next at h2, okay, at h2, so 0 0 is over, next I need to check for 0, and next I need to check for 1, okay, so 0 0 0 0 0 got, I got this sequence, I got this sequence, simply it will go to the next state, that is S3, which is got nothing but S3, okay, and suppose 0 0 0 1, okay, so from these two sequences I got this sequence, I got this sequence, so I got this sequence, it will go to which state? S4, it will go to S4, okay, so here here you got what? Here you got input is 1 means, so I am not I got the sequence, output is 0, so it will go to this, so here I got 0 0 0 1, here I got 0 0 0 0 1, here I got 0 0 0. Till here is it fine? Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, next you see, so I came up to S2, okay, now you see at S3, so I got what? 0 0 0, next I'm expecting 0, okay, suppose I'm expecting 0, so that means I need to check for 3 cases, okay, 3 bits, if 3 bits are matching, 3 bits are matching, 0 0, last 3 bits are matching, no,
0
so
0.
last 3 bits are
Yes.
matching, means where it will go? Tell me. It will be in the same
See.
state. If it is 0, it will be in the same state, okay, and next if it is 0 0 0 1, okay, 0 0 0 1 means what? I need to check for last 3 bits, okay, so is last 3 bits are matching, so last 3 bits are means okay, so here I got the sequence now, 0 0 0 1, I got the sequence, one sequence I got, okay, so if I got a sequence, it will simply it will go to the next state, if it is 1, simply it will go to the next state, so I got the whole sequence, the output becomes what? 1, if I get the sequence, the output becomes 1, output becomes 1, okay, and next if it is 0 0 0, next we check two cases, no, okay, we check two cases at the S3, okay, and at S5 you check, at S5 you see, at S5 I got the sequence, so I got 0 0 0 1 sequence, next what is my sequence? 0, okay, next if it is 0, I need to match first 4 sequences, here I need to match how many sequences? 4 sequences, so 4 sequences where it is happening, that means it is like so this is one of the sequence, so that means it is matching. If it is 0, it will go to where S6. Why? Because it is matching, no?
That's it. Yes,
It is
sir.
matching 0, 0, 1, 0. It is matching. It will go to sequence S6. Okay. And next, if you see 0, 0, 0, 1, and if it is 1, okay, you need to see for 4 sequences. Okay. 4 sequences matching in any of the sequence.
No.
No. Next, you need to check for 3 sequences. Okay, you need to check for 3 sequences. 3 sequences are matching in any of the sequence? Tell me. No, no. 3 sequences are not matching. Next, you need to see for 2 sequences. Last 2 sequences. 2 sequences are matching? No,
No.
not matching. And next, you need to see for 1 sequence. Next, you need to see for 1 sequence. 1 sequence is matching? Not matching. So, if not matching means not matching with any of the sequence, simply it will go to the reset state. Simply it will go to which state? Reset state. If it is 1, it will go to the reset state. Okay, S5 is complete. Okay, each and every state you need to check for two possible states, either 0 or 1. Okay, next you are at S6. Okay, at S6 you are at S4. S4 I not checked. Okay, so here 0, 0, 1, if it is 0, so that means I got this sequence. I got this sequence. So I got this sequence means simply it will go to the next state. Simply it will go to the next state. I got the sequence. Output becomes what? 1. Output becomes 1. Okay. And if it is 0, 0, 0, 1, okay. 0, 0, 0, 1 means what? Here at S4 I need to check, no? Okay.
Sir, it will be 1.
What you are telling?
0, 0, 1,
Check
1.
for
We
0
check.
and 1 also, no?
Yes, sir. For S4.
1 also, okay. 0, 0, 0.
0,
One
0,
second.
1, 1.
1, 1. Oh, sorry. You are telling that one. Okay. If I make any mistake, please tell me so that I will correct. Okay. See here. Next, what is my sequence? 0, 0, 1, 1, na? 0, 0, 1, 1. So I need to check for 3 cases. 3 cases. Anywhere matching? 0, 1, 1 is matching? No, not matching. Next, 0, 0, 1, 1. I need to see for 2 cases. 2 cases. Anywhere matching? Not matching. Okay? So not matching. Next, 0, 0, 1, 1. So next I need to see for 1 bit. 1 bit is matching?
No.
1 bit is matching? Not matching. Simply it will go to the reset state. Any of the bit is not matching. It will go to which state?
Reset.
Reset state. It will go to the reset state. Initial reset state is nothing but where it is started, that will go. Okay? And next you see. So this is completed. All are completed now. I need to check for S6. I need to check for S6 also.
For 1.
S6 0, 0, 1, 0 I got S6. Okay? 0, 0, 1, 0 I got. Next sequence is what? 0. Okay? So I need to see for 4 bits. 4 bits anywhere matching? Not matching. Okay? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 3 bits I need to check. Anywhere matching? Not matching. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 2 bits I need to see. 2 bits are matching?
Yes.
It's matching at S2. Okay? So that's why it will go to which one? S2. As this is overlapping, it will go to S2. Okay? Overlapping is some little bit confusion. That's why you need to check like this. Okay? And next you see. Next 0, 0, 1, 0. Next I need to check for 1, no? 1. Next 4 bits use. 4 bits wherever anywhere it is matching. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is matching. Not matching. Okay. Next you write 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. 3 bits anywhere matching. 3 bits
No.
anywhere matching, not matching. Next 0 0 1 0 1.
1.
2 bits matching. 0 1 very anywhere matching, not matching. Next 0 0 1 0 1. So I need to see for single bit. Single bit is matching, not matching.
No.
Simply it will go to which state?
Reset.
Reset state.
Initial.
Okay, any bit is, so none of the bit is not matching. So none of the bit is not matching means what? Simply it will go to the reset state. Okay? So like this you need to analyze. Okay, overlapping case. Okay? So this is the overlapping case. You need to check for 2 states. You need to check for 2 states. Is it fine? Any doubt in this FSMs?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any example you want? One more, any example I want to do? Tell me.
Sir, it is only of 3-bit and 4-bit.
Yes, 3 bit and 4 bit. 5 bit it will be a bit complicated. Okay, that's why 3 bit and 4 bit we can see. Okay. 3 bit and 4 bit. Suppose if you take 4 bit tell me one 4 bit number. I will do with Mealy overlapping and Moore overlapping. Tell me one 4 bit.
1110. 1110.
1110 na? Okay, 1110. Moore I need to do Mealy. Should I do Moore? Moore I will do. Okay. So Moore I will do. So Moore means how many states you have? So total you have 5 states now. So S0, S1, S2, S3 and S4. Okay. So if you see, so you are at, so that means first S0 by 0. Okay, S0 by 0. Okay, this is nothing but what? Reset state. Initial state. Okay. When you reset the circuit, it will come to S0. Okay, it will come to S0. So I am checking for what? 0 or 1. Okay, if it is 0, where it will go? If it is 1, where it will go? So if it is 0, so that means it will be in the same state. It will be in the same state. Okay, if it is 1, it will go to the next state. Why? Because I got the sequence. I got the sequence. I got the sequence. Okay, so here this is nothing but S2. I didn't got the whole sequence 0. Okay, so this here I got 1. Here I got 1. Okay, and at S2 I need to check. Okay, at S2, so after 1, so after like 1, I can expect 0. I can expect 1. Okay, so that means I need to check. So that means I need to check 1 bit. Okay, I need to check 1 bit. So 1 bit. If it is 0, where it will go? If it is 0, where it will go? It will go to the where it is matching. Nowhere matching. It will go to initial state. Reset state. It will go to the reset state. Okay, and if it is 1, so I got the sequence. I got the sequence. It will go to which state? Next state. It will go to the next state. Is D. And output is what? Output is 0. Okay, output is 0. And next, here I got the sequence 1 1. Here I got the sequence 1 1. Okay, and next. So that means here what is this? This is 1, and this is 1. Okay, at S3 I need to check for what? I need to check for 1 0 0. Next 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, so if it is uh, 1 second. Here I need to check for what? I need to check for 1 1 1 1. I got the sequence
110.
1 1 0. Yes. So here I got the sequence. That means here I need to check for what? 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Okay. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 means what? So I am checking for 2 bits. Okay. So I am checking for 2 bits. Just 2 bits. 1 0 wherever anywhere matching, not matching. Okay, and 0 0 anywhere matching, one bit also not matching. So if it is 0, simply it will go to the initial reset state. If it is 0, it will go to the reset state. Okay, so if it is 0, it will go to the reset state. I am doing overlapping. Okay, I am doing overlapping, concentrating only on the overlapping sequence. Okay, if it is 1, okay, 1 second.
Sir, it
I
will
got
go
the
to
sequence.
next step.
Yeah, next. I got the sequence now. I got the sequence. So I need to see this one sequence. Okay. It will go to the next state. So it will go to the next state. So this is nothing but S4 and the output is okay. Here I got the sequence 111 0. Okay. If it is 1, if it is 1, so I need to check for 2 bits. Where it is matching? Where it is matching? Is there anywhere it is matching? Tell me. It's
It is
matching, no? It is. It will be in the same state. Okay. If it is 1, it will be in the same state. Okay. And next 1 1 0, next 0 1 1, next 0 1. Okay, I need to check. So if it is 1 1 1 0, so this is 0. And if it is 0, it will go to the next state. It will go to the next state. So this is S5. I got the output. That's why I got the sequence. That output becomes 1. So this is 1 1 0 0. Okay, 1 1 0 0. Okay. So I got the sequence. Here I got the sequence. And next, if it is 1 1 0 1, I need to check for 3 bits. 3 bits anywhere matching? Not matching. And 1 1 0 1, I need to check for 2 bits. 2 bits anywhere matching? Not matching. So
okay.
1 1 0 1, I need to check for 1 bit. 1 bit anywhere matching? It's matching.
It is.
It will go to which one? Est. It will go to est. Okay. So here this is 1. Okay. And next. So here I got the sequence. Whole sequence I got 1 1 0 0. So next I need to check for what? 0 1 1 0 0. I need to check for 1. Okay. I need to check for 1. So here I need to see for how many bits? 4 bits. 4 bits. 1 0 0 anywhere matching. First I will see this one. Okay. First I will see this one. I'll grab this one. First I'll check this one. 4 bits anywhere matching, not matching. Next you need to check for what? 1 1 0 0 0. 3 bits and I need to check. 3 bits anywhere matching, not matching. 1 1 0 0 0. 2 bits anywhere matching, not matching. And 1 1 0 0 0. I need to see for 1 bit. So 1 bit. 0 is also not matching. Simply it will go to which state? Reset state. It will go to the reset state. Okay. It will go to the reset state. It is nothing but what? 0. It is nothing but 0. Okay. And next you see. Next 1 1 0 0. And next if it is 1. Okay. I need to see for 4 bits. 4 bits wherever anywhere matching, not matching. Okay. 1 1 0 0 1. Okay. 3 bits anywhere matching. 0 0 1 anywhere matching, not matching. 1 1 0 0 1. 2 bits 0 1 is matching. 0 1 is matching, not matching. 1 1 0 0 1. 1 bit is matching.
Yes.
Matching, no?
It is.
Attached. Attached to, no? It will come
Yes.
to
Yes.
1 bit is matching. Okay. So 1 bit is matching as this is overlapping. So if it is 1, it will come to est. Okay. So like this you need to draw the FSM sequence detector using Moore machine. Moore machine. Okay. Is it fine? Any doubt in this? Your response?
Yes.